Hello, I wanted to give you a quick tip on how to make your own sticky mat. Sticky mats are wonderful things when you're a card maker or a crafter. They hold things in place. They're lightly tacky, but if you're like me, you eventually wear them out where the stick is gone. So this morning I had a thought, and I've tested it out and it works. We have this wonderful product called Press and Seal. So if you take this and you cut yourself a piece about the size of this, you're going to lay it down. I have a glass mat here. You could do this on a kitchen counter. Sticky side down. And you're going to place your sticky mat on top of that. Now I'm choosing to look at the white side when it's finished. I don't want to look at all the mess. So you would lay this down. It's not going to stick because the sticky side is down, but your mat is still going to have enough stick on the edges to hold this beautifully. So you would then tightly fold this over, just like that. And now you have a perfectly fine sticky mat again. And the way I like to use this is in my MISTI. And I take like a sentiment strip, holds it perfectly in place to where it doesn't move while you're stamping. And you all know how the MISTI works. You would pick this up, ink it up, stamp it, and this thing never moved. It's wonderful. Now, if you don't have a sticky mat already that you've killed like me, you can take a piece of cardboard, any size you want, and you can do the exact same thing. Take this sticky side down, put your cardboard on here, either use some, you could use some washi tape, you use any kind of tape you want. You could run a bead of glue, but you would fold this over like that. Of course, you would make it much neater than me and much tighter, but here you have a sticky mat again, something you can place something on top to keep it from moving. So anyway, I hope this helped. Bye.